All right, you guys, today is day 1 of our week of bugs. We're calling them bugs. The official word is going to be what, Miss Rachel?
Insects.
Insects.
Yes.
Insects. They all have 6 legs. That's how you know it's an insect. Is a spider an insect?
No, it is not. Do you know what a spider is called, Miss Chrissy?
Arachnid?
Arachnid. Yes, good job.
8 legs.
That's right. The creepy crawlies, but they are not insects.
All right, so for our first bug, or insect, we're gonna make this cute little ladybug, okay? So first thing you need to do is lay out all of your pieces, okay? It should look something like this. And then we are going to first put on the eyes. We're gonna put glue on the actual eye, and then we're gonna stick it onto the pom-pom, and we're gonna sit it to the side to let it dry. All right, you kind of want to like dig the eye in there so that it stays on. Okay, there's whoop.
Whoop, there he goes.
But I'll turn him back around once. Okay, let's make sure we put it on the same side.
That's already so cute.
All right. So that's going to be our little head, and I'm going to sit it aside to dry. All right. Next, we want to look at our wings. All right. They have circles on them. We're going to overlap the circles and glue them together. So if you look, we're going to end up gluing our circles to the body. All right. So you decide how you want your wings to look. Do you want them closed? Do you want them open a little? Okay, like he's flying. All right. Figure out how far apart you want your wings and then glue them together. One circle on top of the other. Okay. So I'm going to put mine like slightly apart. Like I'm thinking about flying. I'm not just resting. I'm thinking about it. Okay. So mine are going to look something like this. All right. And then we're going to take all of our little dots, because our ladybugs have nice little black dots, and we're going to stick them on the wings. And you can put yours wherever you want. You don't have to necessarily do the exact same thing that I am doing. Whoop. Okay, whoop. Because I put glue on my finger first.
That's right. Sticky on both sides this time. There we go.
All right. Okay. Then we're going to take, let's see. Do I want to glue my wings on first? Maybe I'm going to glue this on first. Okay, our antennas. We're going to glue onto the front. Pick a front. It doesn't matter where. Okay, and we're going to glue it on just like that so that our antennas are sticking up. I made you a little circle so you make it easy to put the glue. Make sure you load it up with glue so that it will stick. Okay, and then just press it on. Hold it for a little bit. Okay, and let's let that dry for a second. All right, while these are drying, I want to show you that you have in your little box, you should have a little magnifying glass and a couple of bugs. If you flip them over and you look, I don't know, can you see that through the camera or not?
Just like that, yep.
Okay, do you see? They have 6 legs, 3 on each side. All right, it's our little fly, little pesky thing. Not a fan. And we got a little grasshopper. Okay, if you flip it over and you look as well, can you see that?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, also 6 legs, 2 little antennae. All right, so back to our ladybug. And you do not have to, but I'm gonna bend my wings up just slightly. And then I'm gonna put glue right on the bottom, and I'm gonna stick it to the top of our body. Ooh, got a little messy there. Okay, right to the top. Hold that down for a second. Woo! Okay. All right. We're getting there. And then the last thing that we need to do is put our head onto there. All right. So the easiest way to do this is to put the glue onto the black circle. Apparently I did not put enough glue on this. Okay. And then I'm gonna lift it up just so I can do it. So you're gonna put glue all on this outside. And then make sure your eyes are facing out. And push it on. Okay. And then you're gonna have to let it dry. Okay, if it falls off, just add a little more glue to it. And there you go. You got your little ladybug. It's kind of cute. What do you think, Miss Rachel?
It's adorable. I love it.
All right, you guys, that is all I have for day 1. Tomorrow will be day 2. Stay tuned.